So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for copyright free music to use within your YouTube videos, then you have clicked on the right video and you are watching the proper video which will guide you all the way to avoiding any copyright issues on the YouTube platform. Okay, this is not involving going to SoundCloud and trying to contact people for their music. Okay, all the music I'll show you today is completely copyright free. Okay, there's no royalties involved or anything. Okay, and you can use them within your YouTube channel, and if they do get copyrighted, you have a security method to actually rebuke those copyright claims. Okay, as these platforms that I'm going to show you, the artists who upload their music here recognize that it will be used within YouTube videos or on the web itself. Okay, so if you are interested in finding copyright free music for your YouTube channel to use within your videos, then stick around and watch this video all the way till the end, as I'll take you to 3 awesome websites where you can find copyright free music for YouTube. So the first website we will look at is Videvo.net. Okay, so once you go to Videvo, you want to go over to music. As you can see, they have a large library of content which you can use. Okay, that is free to use for you, but we want to go to music first. Now the reason why I put Videvo first, it's not the best website out there for music, but it is a great alternative to the others I will show you now if you are looking for something different. Okay, now once you come here, you'll see all the music names. You can even listen to the music here if you want to. Now you can go down here and filter by free clips, as the ones with the thunder sign right here, the electric sign, okay, are paid or premium music. So you can click on free clips and it will filter to only free music, and here you can see tons and tons of free music you can actually use. You can actually filter them by genre, and the list is not that high, that huge. The library is not that huge, but you can also you can find a great alternative for the other options I will show you later within the video. Okay, so the second one is actually YouTube itself. Now why I would suggest maybe sticking to YouTube if you want to remain copyright safe, because YouTube's music library doesn't necessarily need you to give credit to the authors, because with the websites like Videvo and maybe other similar ones, is that you need to give credit to the author, and that doesn't really maybe pose such a threat to your videos or anything. But if you are using different songs in a different songs from different artists, you will need to credit them in each video or different videos, and you may not use the same song over and over in all your videos. Okay, so you need to go to your YouTube studio, the first step, and you will see on the left side you will see audio library. You may need to scroll down to audio library, it's under customization, just click audio library. Okay, now here you can see all the different genres of music that you can use. Okay, you can use any of these. Okay, it shows you the license type here. Is most of the songs here are no attribution required. Okay, so you can listen to them. Okay, you've got dance and electric, you've got reggae, you've got hip hop, you've got classical, you've got pop, you've got ambient, you've got almost all the genres that you can think about. And the YouTube music library is completely free, and it's pretty huge. And then you also got free sound effects which you can look through here. Okay, this kids playing, factory, background track, driving, all of those which you can choose from. Okay, now the third one is also again YouTube, but this time it's not going to be in the YouTube studio. You actually need to search copyright free music. And this is the one you want, audio library music content for creators. Then just click on it. And right here, when you once you come off the channel, it will show you all the new songs they've got. Okay, go over to select on the videos if you want to see specific videos and listen to the songs specifically, or if you want a certain genre, just click on playlists and it will take you to the different genres of music that audio library has available. Now some of these may sound better than the ones you will get in the YouTube Studio, but I prefer the YouTube Studio ones as they create a nice ambient background mood for your videos, because music have a great effect on your audience within your videos. Okay, if you are using a slow tempoed music, then what will happen is that audiences will feel more calmed and engaged with your video itself. Okay, and it's the same analogy they use, the same marketing trick that they use within stores, because if you go into stores, what happens is when the store is a bit quiet time of the day, they play slower music to make you shop slower. It all works in the back of your mind subconsciously. Okay, you don't really pick it up, but you will do things slower and you may buy more. Even in restaurants, the same analogy applies. And when the store is full, they play faster tempo music so the staff can work faster and even the customers can shop faster, so you can make room for more customers to come and shop in the store or come into the restaurant. Okay, so I hope that this video has helped you guys out. Okay, I would highly suggest just checking out the YouTube Studio first before you check out the audio library, because there are a few key differences to both of them, but they will all be beneficial for your YouTube career. Okay, so if this video has helped you, please click the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more cool tech tips and tuts. See you in the next one, guys. Goodbye.